Okay, I believe this is my last morning this week. I think I have to be up this early, but I'm just arrived at work. It's 5:30. Running a tad bit behind, but not too bad. So, yeah, let's go to work. Fun. Gotta make that money. That's what I like about working in like an area like this. When you close it and then you open it like the next day, is you know exactly where stuff is, what's what, and everything. So, no surprises. Most of the time, there's no surprises. Alright, I gotta go. Bye. Okay, so I was doing laundry, and I noticed this writing here. What? Don't put any people in the... who would put somebody in a washer? Jackass people, maybe? I don't know. Alright, so I know the past couple days I haven't filmed much, but I've been working my butt off, and I'm gonna be filming a little bit more, mostly because I have a little bit more free time, but,
Sweet. Hi, and welcome to Elevator Surprise. On today's episode, surprise, we're in an elevator. Yeah. We're all smooth looking out at the world. Yeah. That'd be a great movie pitch. Ready? Here we go. Great movie pitch. In an elevator at a university campus, one man. Stop. Oh! Almost squished my hand.
open.
Okay, ready? Here we go. One man, one elevator will save the world on one university campus. Is that funny or not? I can't tell. Truck. Goodbye, truck. That's a breath of fresh air. MTA.
Okay, I'm sorry I didn't film much today. Just really tired right now. I've been up since 5:30, or no. I've been at work since 5:30. I've been up since about 4:45 this morning. I've been working since 5:30. I'll work about 9-ish. Oh, 9:15. Right? I'm just really tired, so I'm sorry I didn't film much today. I just worked all day, pretty much. That's all I did. You guys don't really care about my work, so nothing really interesting happened, so I apologize. Sorry.